With the pool, it's 550,000 US. Look at the finishings all in one section. We have the kitchen here, full kitchen. Lovely, lovely view from here. Wow. Look at that. From this area, you have your second bedroom here. Nice area here for your linen. Look how big this is. A nice walk-in closet. Look at this full bathroom. Oh my. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Milford Ridge, you did it. Straight into your bathroom. Nice shower here. Everything is just, they made excellent use of space. We're here in Ocho Rios, St. Anne, Jamaica, and we're gonna be checking out, we're driving to an open house event there called Milford Ridge, a development called Milford Ridge. That's where we're heading to. It's a beautiful weekend day, and we're taking on the streets of St. Anne to see what's going on in these areas. We're going to check out a couple developments in these areas as well. So ensure that you're subscribed to the channel, you're liking our videos, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about it. Alright? So let's go. We have the green light. We have Progressive Foods and Fontana on the left. Ruby's gas station on the left as well. Alright, let's make the left turn here onto Milford Road. And if you're familiar with Ocho Rios, you can let me know in the comment section. This is Milford Road that will carry us straight up to the Milford Ridge development. Fern Grove is on the left, and by the way, this is the same road that carries you to Fern Gully, and Ocho Rios, is it high school on the right? Yes, Ocho Rios High School, we just passed there on the right. Ocho Rios Primary School is on the left. So I'm just showing you what the general area outside Milford Ridge looks like. Alright, so here we see the first signs of something going on in this area. See the perimeter wall there. And they have the different banners here waving. Let's see if this is where we turn on the left here. Security are here, so it looks like this is the entrance to Milford Ridge. this is the garage space. Beautiful. And this is the powder room right here. Right, so this is the powder room here. Lovely. Right under the staircase. So from the powder room, we enter this all-in-one section. We have the kitchen here. Full kitchen. Lovely, lovely, lovely. My, look at the finishings here. Alright, so this apartment, it will cost you 512,000 US. And without the, that's without the pool. So with the pool, it's 550,000 US. Look at the finishings in these units. Just lovely. Let me get a nice view from here. Wow. Look at that. So that's the entryway here. Go to the kitchen. You go straight into the living area here. Well done. A washer here. This is just beautiful. Again, remember to tap that subscribe button here on the Island Max channel. A lovely big TV right beside us here. And there's the pool area. We're not too far from the road area. The road is just right over here. The entryway. Lovely pool, man. So again, with the pool, it's 550,000 US. Without the pool, it's 512,000. The living space here, and then you go straight now into the bedroom right here. Look at this, everything well put together. Don't. This is a double bed. This is not a queen. Yes, this is a double bed. Yes, this is a double bed right here.
This will be the guest room.
Oh, okay. And then upstairs now you'd have the the full bedrooms.
Yes.
Lovely. This seems to be the guest room with a nice double bed here. Going straight into the bathroom here. Full bathroom. Look at this. Lovely bathroom here. Nice floor to ceiling tiles. Look at the finishings here, man. Wow, wow, wow. Nice walk-in shower. The nice setting there. Nice walk-in shower here. The lovely setting here for your shampoo and your soaps, etc. Lovely shower section here. The bathroom, this is what it looks like here. We're on the ground floor. We'll be going upstairs pretty soon. Look at that, man. Nice backboard for your TV here. It says return to paradise. Indeed.
Yeah, man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them.
Right here. This is the master bedroom here. Look at this.
Yeah, so I was calling it before we come, but then you can't call it straight.
Wow.
Showcase in Jamaica.
Alright. This is the patio here. So So that's the patio, that's the road over there, the main road that carries you into Fern Gully. And the lovely pool here. And of course, you have your privacy from your neighbor's pool. So this is the patio here. And you walk straight in from the patio to your master bedroom. Wow. Nice ambient lighting.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless.
Right after you come up the stairs, we just look at the master bedroom. Alright?
Surprise, but nevertheless. I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even
Nice area to put your linen and your towels. And look at this full bathroom. Oh my. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Milford Ridge, you did it.
No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I
welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica.